Guess what? It's Friday, Fabulous Friday, June 25th. I'm Sasha. You can always get news, weather, and traffic right here if you keep watching, but we have so much more to share with you on our free Local Now app. Like classic concerts. Well, we have one for you on our music channel. Tonight, we're bringing you, yes, 35th anniversary concert Songs from Sung Us. That's at 9 Eastern Time. Or you could click over to our Discover channel for our Taste of Barbecue programs starting at 6 Eastern tonight. Either watch a movie on grilling to get you geared up for the weekend or join us along North Carolina's barbecue trail for some tasty features. We even have segments in our Food and Booze show on Korean barbecue and Japanese options too. Yum. Maybe you need some help dealing with a boss who just won't let you do your job.
Hey, do you have a boss who is micromanaging you and breathing down your neck? If you've got this problem, I've got some solutions for you.
You can find that in our shows under Dr. Wendy Work Life. And when you want to get that weekend started, we have some foolproof cocktail garnishes that will give your drinks that extra pizzazz. That's under shows and cocktails. But you can only see those segments on our app, so be sure to download it now. You can get it in your favorite app store. Just look for Local Now. And if you already downloaded it, thank you. We hope you enjoy all the different stories we're bringing you. Have a phenomenal Friday and have a fantastic weekend.